everyone, my name is Qoqsik. I stream on Twitch, do designs and art. And also I have a small store with various panels and overlays. In this video, I will share 3 YouTube banners for free which I made especially for League of Legends streamers. In the description below, you will find the sources for Adobe Photoshop. YouTube channel art, which is sometimes called your YouTube banner, is the image that appears at the top of your YouTube channel. This is only visible from your YouTube channel and not from individual videos. With that being said, it is an important part of your channel design that helps to convince viewers to turn into subscribers. YouTube channel art needs to be designed to cater to a number of different screens. When you view the banner on a smartphone or TV, the banners are cropped very differently. As you can see, these sizes differ greatly. With YouTube TV views growing, it is important to take the differences into consideration. For this reason, the recommended YouTube channel art dimensions are 2560 x 1440 pixels. How do I upload and customize the YouTube covers? Follow the link from the description. Scroll down the page, enter 0 in a cost field and click I want this. Enter your mail and click Get. Moving on, click View Content. Download and unzip the archive to any convenient location. Open the file in Adobe Photoshop, no later than the version from 2019. The program will tell you which fonts are missing in the system. You can install these fonts or use similar ones to your liking. Click on the box marked Edit Me and select the text tool. Click on the text and enter your text. To save your work, click File, Save As, JPG or PNG and select a location. Speed slower, maximum compression. If the file is too large to download, more than 6 megabytes, use tinypng.com. It will slightly compress the file size without affecting its quality. Uploading your YouTube channel art or changing an existing YouTube banner is a very quick process. Once logged into your YouTube Google account on a desktop PC, open YouTube Studio in the top right corner. In the menu on the left, select Customization. Select the Branding tab at the top. Under the Banner Image section, select Upload. Select your banner and then select Done. Lastly, hit the Publish button in the top right corner to save your changes. Immediately after uploading, when you visit your channel, your banner may look slightly blurry. This is normal as it hasn't been processed completely and should be fine in a few moments. To speed things up, refresh and your banner should look fresh and crisp. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave them in the comments. On my channel, you can find more videos on streaming topics and a link to my small design store for streamers in the description. Good luck with your streams!